How to draw pixel NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how to create your very own pixel NFT art. You might have seen all these CryptoPunks NFTs and a lot of people have been using them. These have become very popular. Even celebrities such as Jimmy Kimmel, Eminem, and Snoop Dogg, they've all purchased their very own NFT art. As you can see, they're pretty simple, they're very easy to create, and a lot of people get confused sometimes. So having said that, let's just jump into it. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can create your very own and CryptoPunk NFTs. The very simplest way that I have found is that you go over to this website called pixelart.com. Now, this is a pretty basic website and it's very good. People have been creating pixel arts a very long time, and now you can create your very own pixel art and then turn it into an NFT. So as you can see over here, pretty basic, yet it is very powerful tool. So what I want you guys to do is come over here and just simply sign up. Now the sign up process is very simple. All you have to do is click on create an account over here, and once you do that, it'll take you over here. Over here, all you have to do is enter in your email address, or you can just simply go ahead and sign up with Google. Now I've already created an account, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in, and I'm gonna show you how you can basically do it. So once you have signed up, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So over here, all you have is your feed, your home, the gallery, the comics, the challenges that you can complete. But we're not here to do all of those things. We're here to create our very own pixel art NFT. So what I want you guys to do is come over here and click on start drawing. And once you're over here, you basically have to, create a new drawing, and you have to adjust the height and width of the canvas. Now, when you're creating pixel art, you have to make sure that your canvas is very small. And then once you have created it, you can then upscale it later on. Now you can do all of this in Photoshop as well, but that gets a little bit complicated. So I'm gonna stick to this tool right here, pixel art, which is very basic. So right now I'm gonna keep my canvas size at 32 by 32, and I'm just simply gonna click on new drawing, click on OK. Now, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now I've already created a bunch of other NFTs over here. As you can see, these are not NFT, these are just pixel art, as you can see over here, and you can create them as well. Now they're pretty simple. I'm going to show you how I created this heart one. So I've already created this, but I'm just going to show you how it basically done. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer, and I'm just going to go ahead and overwrite all of this so that it's pretty simple. Now right now this is 32 by 32, so you can go ahead and do that. Now over here at the top we have our pixel size. So if I increase the size of the pixel, as you can see, it's increased. So I'm going to keep it at 1. And over here we have our basic tools such as a pencil, eraser, brush, line, circle, and I have the bucket tool over here. I have the color picker tool over here, and many more. So I'm simply going to go ahead and override it. So as you can see, I've created a layer by clicking on this button called add layer, and you can move the layer up and down as well, however you feel like it. So right now I'm going to choose this one, and I'm just simply going to overwrite all of this. Now it's pretty simple. As you can see, it's just a simple heart. Now all you have to do is outline it. Now you can create it as your own as well. I'm just simply going to go ahead and outline it 1 2 3 over here, 1 2 3 over here, and then just create this line. And it's pretty simple. As you can see, found this idea on Google. I looked at an image and I thought that was pretty nice, so that's why I'm creating it. It's pretty simple, and it'll show you and give you an idea on how you can basically do it. So as you can see, it's literally taking me seconds and I'm almost done. So as you can see, I've literally created it. Now if I just undo it right here, I close this layer, hide this layer, as you can see, we have a pretty basic outline. Now what we can do next is we can choose a color, right? Let's go with something red. Where is it? Like here, I think this is the color. Is this pink? No, this is pink. Okay, this is red. So we're just gonna go ahead and color it out. We're gonna fill it. Make sure that you first do the outlines of it first, and keep it slow, guys. You don't need to rush it. As you can see, it's already taking pretty less time. So keep it simple, keep it slow, and just follow along the outlines first. That's one of the basic tools of when you're drawing. You first have to fill out the outline so that you don't bleed out on the edges, which is pretty nice. Now once you have an outline, just simply fill it up. As you can see over here, I'm gonna fill it out. I'm gonna keep like a couple of these over here. I'm gonna fill it out right now. It's pretty simple. So I'm gonna fill it out and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So once you have filled it out, all you have to do is you can keep like a little bit of shade over here. So I'm gonna choose the white color over here. I'm just simply gonna dot all of these white colors. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, and I've created it. Now the first one was a little bit pinkish color, this one is a little bit red. Choose whichever color you want, and as you can see, it's really simple. After that, all you have to do is just save the drawings or download it, and then you can post it online. Now what if you didn't want to draw a heart? What if you wanted to draw something else a little bit more complicated? So I've also created this small turtle over here as well. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Now how I do that is I basically, I created it. I found this idea online, and the idea is pretty simple. Just simply follow the outlines. Okay, like it's really simple. Like I'll show you. So if I come over here onto Google and I search for pixel, right, and I go over to the images, I will find all of these different images. Get your inspiration from all of this. Like you can create anything. So as you can see, I saw this heart over here and I created that on my own, but with a little bit of my own touch to it. Like this is a little bit more smaller and a little bit more has a little bit more shades, but I didn't add enough shades, so I just kept it simple. As you can see, it's pretty simple. And the exact same thing you can do with this turtle. You can like do anything. So what if you wanted to create this chicken? So the process is pretty simple. Like all you have to do is just look at it and you can create your very own chicken. So what if I just created a new layer over here and we just hide these up? Okay, now look at the chicken. It's like, line is going down. So let's just go ahead and create this is the black white color. Let me just choose black. There we go. A line is drawn over here at the bottom. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and go with the outline. So since my canvas is a little big, so I'm gonna go with a little bit bigger, and then I'm gonna just go up over here and go up over here. Make sure that you are very centered. Okay, make sure that what you're doing is really aligned. You don't want to mess this up. This is a pretty simple process. Like let me just go ahead and turn it up a little bit more, and then what we can do next is it says over here we can add a few over here. Next what we can do is we can add a little bit over here, one over here, and then what we can do is we can follow the rest. So the rest was something like this, right? I'm just following it, and then we go up, and then 2 down, 3 down, a couple of days down. So we go up and we go up a little bit here, and then we just go down over here. So this is how it basically looks, right? Now what we can do is we can color it out and match it up. So what we can do next is let's go ahead and find something red, this one over here, and this is I think the center. We go over here, and then what we can do next is we can just fill it out over here. That's what I'm talking about. We gotta keep it simple. We don't want to mess the outline up. And there we go. It's pretty nice. Next, what we can do is we can like get a yellowish type color. All right, where is this pale yellow color? I think over here, pale yellow color. And then we can just go ahead and create something like this for a beak, and then we can create some eyes over as well. How are the eyes looking? They're like a little bit L shape. Go ahead and let me just look at it again. Okay, so I get the idea now. So we just go ahead and do this. Is it that the L shape as well? Yeah. So we just go with, now what we can do next is we can add like a whitish type over here. Now what we can do next is we need to find another white color with a little bit darkish, so that as you can see over here, this is a little bit gray. We need to find something else, something like this. Yeah, here we go. And just fill it out. Make sure that you're doing it in the outlines first. Keep it small. As you can see, I messed it up again, and now I gotta do all of this again. Now this is a gray color, so it's really hard to see, but I'm sure that you can see it. Now we just fill it out, and it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this out, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So as you can see, I filled it out. It looks pretty good. Now what we can do next is we can like add some darker outlines as well, so that it looks a little bit more refined. So let me just go ahead and find that. They're all pretty white. I can't really tell the difference. Maybe something like this. Yeah, we can do that. Like something over here. What else? We can go with a little ones over here, and there we basically go. Now what we can do next is let me just check out the chins real quick. So what we did, we could like maybe do something like this one. Is this the color? Yeah, that's the color. Well, let's go with this one. Yeah, here we go. This is a little bit brighter. There we go. As you can see, it's pretty simple, and it looks pretty similar to this one. So that's how you basically do it. Another way that you can do it is you can like download the image and then upload the image over here, create a new layer, and then make an outline of it, and then color it as you proceed. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's really easy to create your very own pixel art using this tool, pixelart.com. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and create amazing pixel art NFTs that you want. After that, you can just simply, download it and upload it onto OpenSea. It's pretty simple. It's really easy. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.